Check out this 2017 Ford Super Duty F-250 SRW. Carfax has certified this Super Duty F-250 SRW as having one owner. This Super Duty F-250 SRW has just under 28,500 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This Super Duty F-250 SRW boasts a 6.2-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Call 678-263-0001 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.